You will need to set up and establish your Etsy shop policies before you begin your business. You must be familiar with these policies in order to apply them successfully in your shop. Why is it important to have policies in place for your Etsy shop? Some Etsy sellers are unaware of the significance of establishing business policies. Although Etsy will not compel you to create store policies, it is still a good idea to do so. Others believe that having these terms and conditions is excessively formal for something more akin to a pastime. The fact is that Etsy business regulations benefit both sellers and buyers. Shop policies exist to protect both the seller and the customer. Furthermore, policies will inform consumers of what to expect in the event of an issue. How to create policies for your Etsy shop. Here are the stages to establishing your store policies. Number 1, proceed to the shop manager. Number 2, click the pencil symbol next to your shop under Sales Channels. Number 3, scroll all the way down to the Shop Policies section. Shop rules are divided into sections, and each area serves as a template. You may select your choice for your shop here. When you're finished, click Publish Shop Policies. Here are the policy sections that you can revise. Shipping times. In the shipping box, you can select the shipping method you want to use. Include whether you will ship internationally in this section. This would be beneficial to both you and your consumers. Shipping costs can be high, and setting this up ensures that you have previously considered this. Payment policy. This is where you choose the payment methods you want your clients to utilize. Providing a variety of alternatives for your customers will almost certainly result in their contentment. Don't forget to mention things like cancellation rules, payment deadlines, taxes, and so forth. In brief, disclose any information your clients need to know about how you accept payments. Refund policy. Yes, we're all praying that nothing goes wrong, but we all know that's not going to happen. Obstacles are unavoidable in any enterprise. It is critical that you have a clear policy for returns, refunds, and exchanges. In this manner, your consumers will know what to do if they are dissatisfied with the items. It is acceptable to refuse returns and exchanges. Keep in mind that you are not required to reimburse 100% of the time. On Etsy, many items are made to order, custom-made, or personalized. It is also critical to safeguard your cash and time because some consumers are impulsive and reckless. If you decide to provide exchanges and refunds, you must establish specific criteria. Privacy policy. When customers order from your store, they are supplying you with personal information such as their name and address. This part is critical since it informs your clients about how you manage their personal information and assures them that you will never sell it. Additional information. Additional information about your business may be found in your shop policies. Here you may insert commonly asked questions and seller information. Don't forget to click like and subscribe for more Etsy selling tips. Until next time.